Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to be making a card using a Merry Hello. It is a host set, and you get this when you spend $150 or more. You can get enough credit to purchase this, or actually purchase it with rewards for free, so that's a plus there. And then before I get started, again, I want to remind you, if you do purchase anything from today's list, it will be down in the description below, along with my link here to purchase anything. If you wanted to take part in my November class, it's going to be the Christmas Gleaming Variety Bundle. So you can purchase that and get the 10% savings. And that will automatically get you invited to the online class, which will be November 21st, before Thanksgiving. Normally I do it on the last weekend, but I think a lot of people are going to be shopping on that Saturday, so we've changed that. And okay, so that's everything. I do want to welcome you, and again, remind you that today is Technique Tuesday, so there is a free tutorial on my blog with all the dimensions of everything I'm going to make today. So I've got all of this fun stuff. We're going to make a cute little Merry Hello Christmas card. And I will have all of this stuff listed as well with everything that I'm using, along with the dimensions. So I'm going to move this out of the way just to get started here. I have this sheet of Whisper White. It's cut in half, and then it was scored in half, and then I took a portion off. So we're going to go ahead and grab our bone folder, burnish that guy down. We'll set that off to the side for just a moment. And then we'll do our stamping. It's on this little guy right here. We're going to be using the little stockings there. A Merry Hello. May your season be filled with magic. And then the little holly there. So I've got those all placed. I'm going to get my Memento Tuxedo Black ink out. And we are going to start with those little guys. Aren't they so cute? So we're just going to get that done. And we're just going to put that right there. Push that down. Look at how cute that is. So you could go in and you can color them if you'd like with some Stampin' Blends, or you can go in with your marker and color them, whatever you'd like. Now, there is also this little guy that's going to allow you to place that right over there and color it in, but that's not what I'm wanting to do. This is what I'm wanting to do. I want the red, and then I want the inside to be green. So I could color it if I'd like. I could color these just like this, right? And the same here. I could also cut them, cut it right here and here, and then do each one individually. But I think what I'm going to do, since I already have these done in red, is we're just going to line these little guys up. Push that down. And we've got those nice little guys already done. I did not do the middle because I wanted to use a different color. And I think for that, I'm going to go with the Pear Pizzazz. And you can color that in. Or we could have used that block as well. So however you'd like, I could have went and colored that in there. So, but now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and do some more coloring. I'm going to just add these in here. And this is easy. This is really simple stamping. It looks like it might be a little bit scary, but really it's not too bad. And I think, where'd that real red? I'm going to get out that real red. And we're going to go ahead and color these. And then we'll go ahead and color this as well. Super adorable. This is an old olive, so it's going to be a little bit darker. And we're going to color this as well. I'm going to leave that one white and red. Just super cute. Okay, now we're going to get out and we'll do a Merry Hello right down here. I'm going to get out that real red. I think actually, yeah, we'll go ahead. We'll just do real red. And we'll just line that up in the center there. And we've got our Merry Hello. I do have my pear pizzazz here, and we've got some little those little holly berries there, or not the berries but the leaves, and we're gonna put one just like that, and we'll do the other one just like that, and that'll be holding up our little guys there. So we've got most of our stamping done, and let's do the inside of this card. This one says, "May your season be filled with magic." So let's go ahead, we'll get out our real red again. There you go. Now if I close this, you can barely see, but even if I had it down here, you'd still be able to see, or it'd still be closed off. It'll be covered up, and you'll see what I mean here shortly. So I'm going to take this. You're going to decide, one's going to go this way and the other one's going to go this way. So see, that's going to cover that up. These are double-sided, so you can just flip them over and just decide which one you like best. I think I like the other way best. So I'm going to take this ribbon here. We're going to put that on here with some Stampin' Seal. Just like that. Put some more right on here. And I am going to put this down on the top there so you'll see that. There we go. Then we're going to take this piece here and we're going to get this little guy. And we'll put him right on here. Look how cute that is. And we're going to take this just like this. I'm going to put some there, and then I'm going to put a little bit right here at the bottom as well to hold that. And then just line that up how you'd like it. And look at how cute that is. And now all we have to do is add our little bits. I have this cute little star that we have here, and I was thinking I'd like to have it kind of hanging right about here. And I'm going to take this guy, I'm going to stick that underneath just like that. And then I'm going to cut this part off. And then we're going to cut this little guy at a bit of an angle, like a real good sharp angle there. And so you could see that that angle is sticking through. Just grab that and pull it through. Put that there. And then for this one, we're just going to tie a little knot. And then we'll tie another little knot there. So cute. Isn't that cute? All right, so the last thing we're going to do, we're going to take our little, take your pick tool and get some red rhinestones, because these little holly needs some berries. And these little berries are so cute and so tiny that you could put 3 on there and not. There we go. And it's not going to be overpowering. And I just think that this card is so cute. Let me know what you think. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you head over to the blog beautyandthestamper.com to find that tutorial. I will put the link down below, and all of the products here will be listed if you wanted to purchase and make some of these cards on your own. So thank you, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.